So then now that we know when interest is calculated, or have a couple of ideas of when interest is calculated, we're actually going to go ahead and do the calculations. And that's what you're going to learn in this lesson. So how much interest would you pay on a $35,000 car loan at 2.5% in 1 year? So this percentage, if it doesn't say anything otherwise, you have to assume it's per year. So what we're really asking is, what is 2.5% of $35,000? And we've done percent calculations a lot. So first step is 2.5 over 100. Change the percentage into a decimal. And of means multiplication. So multiplying by 35,000. And you get $875. So you would be charged $875 in 1 year if you borrow $35,000 to buy a car. So this is your payment in 1 year. So let's try that again. What would your interest charge be for 1 year on a $450,000 mortgage? So what we're really asking is at what is 3.29% of $450,000. So again, we're going to change the percentage into a fraction, of into multiplication, and then pick up our calculator and multiply 0.0329 times $450,000, and that's a whopping $14,805 that you pay in 1 year in interest. So that's the money that it's going to cost you just to borrow to buy a house for that 1 year. So interest rates on credit cards. Here's an example of a credit card information that when you sign up for a credit card, notice here it says annual percentage rate, 22.9% a year. So if you had a credit card bill of $450 and didn't pay it for a whole year, how much would they charge? Well, they would charge 22.9% of 450. So that would be 22.9 out of 100 times $450. So 0.229 times 450, which equals $103.05. So on a bill of $450, you would pay an extra $100 because you didn't pay the bill on time. So that's why we don't recommend that.